Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look tonight at SBET, SharpLink Gaming Stock. This one is down by 3.5% today, up slightly so far in the after hours. Now we know that we've been seeing this stock declining for quite some time, and over the past couple of days we found a support which has been in the 1450 range, which is good. We've seen a slight recovery since then. The question going forwards into tomorrow and the rest of the week is, well, where do we go from here, right? Do we have that potential to bounce? Are we going to see this uptrend continue? Well, I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on all of that sort of stuff over the course of this video. If it does sound good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot. Now I've said all of that stuff. I'll also remember I am not a financial advisor, must get that out of the way. But yeah, now I've said all the good stuff, we might as well jump in. So yeah, you can see very clearly the trend if you zoom out a little bit, so we'll do that. The trend here for the past month or so, if we'll just have a quick look, is down. You know, the past 5 days is red. The past month is also red, down by 27.9%. However, if you have a look, the majority of this drop is coming before the 8th of September. Since about the 5th, we're seeing this one actually up by 7%, so that really puts things into context. Now, the nice thing here is that we are establishing a new level of support that we have found, which is absolutely brilliant. And I want to zoom out here for a bit more context on the 6-month chart. We're seeing this one now coming to a point where we are finding what could be a bottom on this stock and asking if that potential to the upside is now there. So with that being considered, what are we looking at? Well, like I say, this one is down for today. If we see this one drop any lower, I think the next levels of support that we could be seeing are going to either be, in my opinion, $15.90 or potentially even going way down to the $14.90 range. Is that possible? Yes, of course it is. Is that ideal? In my opinion, no, right? Is it a possibility? Of course it could happen. If we are, however, able to hold on to these levels, perhaps the higher levels of support, as I say, $15.90, $16, something like that, things are looking relatively good, and that could set the stage for another bounce. Now, if we are to bounce to the upside, where are we looking to go? Well, inevitably, we need to get above 1680, 1685, levels that we have found difficulty at both over the last couple of days and in the past couple of weeks. On top of that, we then are looking to push up to levels in the $17 range. That could happen. We've seen difficulty here a few times too. Again, recently, you're seeing difficulty getting and staying above 17, and way back when you're seeing difficulty at this point, you know, back on the 2nd. Then you're looking at levels for a potential higher leg in the high 17s and then on for higher. Which one do I think is more likely, and how would I play this one? Well, if it was me right now, I'd stand on the side with a bit of caution. I would absolutely wait to see what happens tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a major indicator as to what happens with this stock, potentially for the majority of next week, and the rest of next week, and the rest of this week. I think it all depends on whether we can see these core levels hold. A drop to levels slightly lower than where we are right now, we're talking levels like 1550, 1590, not the worst thing in the world. However, when you begin to get down to 1450 and lower than that, things will become very concerning. As I always say at this point in the video, guys, I'm not here to make you guys minds up on anything. I'm just here to highlight the key levels that I am paying attention to, and perhaps you guys will be able to, you know, understand where I'm coming from here. But I do always recommend that you do your own research in your own time. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way till the end with me. I hope I will see you again soon, guys. Goodbye for now.